well, the world can be repowered. How are we going to refeed the world? How are we going to preserve its soils? And this word permaculture just kept coming up over and over and over again until finally I stumbled across your video again, and I said to Michelle, I just have to go to Australia.
I want to introduce to you Rob and Michelle Avis from Canada. They came to my farm to get an education in permaculture and went back to Canada to implement their system in the suburbs. Now, they both come out of the oil and gas industry, non-farming, non-plant, non-gardening background, and they've applied permaculture with their education, with the knowledge, and they've taken it into a complete career.
What I've been able to do by combining my engineering degree and permaculture, which is basically ecological engineering, has allowed me to do projects that I would never have been able to fathom doing in my wildest dreams. People are contacting me from all over the country to do projects where I get to bring the best of engineering together with the best of biology.